Hey there! Today we are going to crochet a laptop sleeve. Be sure to check out the link to the free pattern below in the description. Today I'm using recycled t-shirt yarn by Gansett and a 9mm clover crochet hook. Links are below. To start, we're going to chain 29. Now we're going to half double crochet in the second chain from hook. I like to work into the back bumps of the chain to make the bottom nice and sturdy. And half double crochet in the next 26 chains. You should have one chain left, and in this one we're going to half double crochet 4 all in the same space. You might need to pull on that tail a bit to close up the last chain. Now we're going to half double crochet up the opposite side of the chain. You should have one space left where we placed our first half double crochet. We're going to put 3 more there, so there's a total of 4 in the first chain. Slip stitch to close this round. Your first round should be looking something like this. To begin round 2, chain 1, and from here on out to the end of the pattern, we're going to be working our half double crochets in the 3rd loops. This is often called camel stitch. It creates a really beautiful braided texture in the front of your work. So you're going to find that 3rd loop by looking at the back of your work and doing a half double crochet as normal. And we're going to do those half double crochets in each stitch all the way around. You know you're doing it right if you start to see that braided texture on the front of your work. Slip stitch to close the round. And for rounds 3 through 15, we're going to repeat what we just did in round 2. So chain 1 and half double crochet in the 3rd loop all the way around. I'll meet you there. For round 16, we'll start to construct the handles. Start with the chain 1 and half double crochet in the next 9 stitches. Chain 15, making sure those chains aren't too tight. Skip the next 10 stitches. I find it easiest to count those 3rd loops. We're going to reattach our chain here. Make sure your chain is not twisted before you do this. Half double crochet in the 3rd loop to attach the chain. And we're going to do a total of 20 half double crochets, which will take you to the other side of the bag. Now we're going to work on the second handle the exact same way, so chain 15, skip 10, make sure your chain is untwisted, and half double crochet in the 3rd loop to attach. You're going to need a total of 11 half double crochets to complete this round. And slip stitch to close the round. Start round 17 with a chain 1 and half double crochet in the third loop for the next 9 stitches. Once you reach your chain, we are going to work into the backs of the chain. You'll find that back loop like we did in the first round. And the reason we're going to do this is because it really creates a nice edge where both edges on sides of the handle look exactly the same. Now we're going to half double crochet in the next 20 stitches. Half double crochet in our chain 15 again. And half double crochet in the next 11 stitches. Now we're ready to finish off with a slip stitch. And we can snip our yarn and tie off and weave in our ends. Add a strap if you like. I'll link this one in the description below. Congratulations, you made your own laptop sleeve. Follow along for more.